Hey, welcome to the YouTube channel. I'm PJ, I'm a handyman, and today's video is gonna take this area right here and open it up. The area where your camera's sitting, where you're watching from, is the living room. And that is going to be, this is going to be taken out, so it's going to be opening up to this bathroom back here, a bedroom here, and a bedroom there. And I don't want this header to be below the ceiling where these two boards are right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm sitting on my new header that's going to go above the ceiling. And to do that, I've got to cut these ceiling joists, these three. I need to cut them and then set this thing on top of this board right here, these two top plates, and connect them. Fasten those to this header. And once I get that done, I can cut this out and everything will be good. If I was to do this the traditional way, like if there was ceilings and all that in here, I would have to put a temporary wall over there and a temporary wall over here to hold these joists up while I cut the middle of them out and all that rigmarole. Well, this way, I don't have to do any of that because I'm just going to cut these out right down the middle here, drop this header in here, and secure it and be done with it. One thing you'll notice, this is a really old house. It's got, this is full dimensional lumber. These are all full 2-inch by 8-inch boards here. And so regular old joist hangers will not work, which is crazy, but I'm using double joist hangers on it. So I'll have to put a little spacer in there to fill it up, but it'll work out in the end for sure. So first thing I'm going to do is mark my boards. I'm going to mark straight up from here on each one, and then center that and measure my 3 inches. Center it, measure 1.5 inches on either side, and that's where my cut's going to go. And it should work out so that these stay on top of the top plate, don't fall down, and drop this thing in here and finish it up. And so without any more wasting time, let's get to it. Hopefully I don't fall. Okay, all the electric now spin disabled except for one. Except one. That's what I'm using right now. These ones here, these plates are full to the force as well, so it's full force across here. Nice and little room when it comes to my cuts. Boards are around the level, so I need to eyeball. I'm going to have a small level in touch. And I'm going to get my level, make sure that it's not. Wow, that board there is really pretty bad. That'll make a big place. See that? Yes. Good, just come in, 1/2 inch on each side, make a line. These plates are 1.5 inches. That's margin of the board is 1.5 inches. These are 7. Yeah, those are 7. These plates are 1.5 7, 8. So not quite what we sold for. This is here, this is that. That board, there on that side. Let's cut it down to what it looks like. See? There's really nothing right here. Someone's got me left here. I can see that. And that's the edge. I can see that. Mark. So mark. A little low. Board is that's probably not going there. This here's part is not anything. This one here, most of that wall is the half. And it's only on 1/2 inch. Get a little bit there on this one. I like that. So, we'll fix that. I'm going to not cut anymore. I'm going to put 2 more here. Where's that? My saw all the way down the wall. Right, straight. Which is how we jump things. Really, we can cut. See if it's here. No, no, just I'll take it. This one here. This one, you can off. Just anything else. Now, come on. So here, you know, so now, I'm right here. I probably circle that's a snake. It's not. We got here. It's on. Two people together. This very top place, and it's not. I'm gonna live it off. Try this here. Anyway, I'm starting to get lots more me on. Stay upside down. Do right, upside down. Do that over here. Okay, let's see what's on here. It's on. Let's get here more. Good pointing out there. Back here. Hardwood here. Good foot. Oh, where's all right, one more. Any of these things, right around you can. Let's try this. Good. Is the last one you cut? All that. Okay. Go down. So, come on. Over here. And more. Let's go down. Okay. That's it. Crazy this. Sounds all pretty. Sounds all pretty. Four. Yeah. Well, he's got pretty. Around it. And I'll get over it. That's all right. As long as it's. As long as it's. Right here. Okay. No. So down here. So here. Yeah, it's a little crooked here. Oh, hey, no, this. Oh, right. You want to do that? Go ahead, come into play. There you go. There's problems. Okay, that. Here. Can't see very well here. Oh, I think it's like perfect across here. I spent a lot of time ever. Let's go here. Wow, I like it. Let's go here. Okay, let's go here. Don't see anything. Go down. Okay. Ah, don't see anything. This house is about 1,000 years old. I don't see anything. What's that? What do you do? What's that? You're on it. That's the deal. I think it's right on. Well, I can get that out. It's not like right here, where it's joint, this ain't work. It's coming out like that. It's not mine. There, it's there. So what we're going to do is, and you're going to do it with salsa. Salsa. Here's a little. We chop already. Just like so. Yeah, second bowl. Now we're going to do this over here. There. Cut it off the back. Make this one a bit. Not too hard. He's like, it's really work there. That's fine. Just this. That's right. There we go. Leave this on here. All fine. Only works now. We're not minutes. We're still tight here. This is ridiculous. I just put the hang up. And there's something like that. Maybe I'm supposed to be some. So that goes here. You can choose that over I want. Pretty good. Sure. See the difference here. Let's do the other left. Okay. He's opening it up. There. You got it. Get there. Okay, well, now this would be. Got these. Got these down here in the wood. You have to hold that thing in it. Don't do it. So you start having the other things right out. Nice. Okay. Hey, watch out. Little safety tip for you. Don't leave hammers and other tools on top of your ladder. They could fall down and hit you in the head. Okay. It's just about right there, just about right. So, I don't know if you can even see me anymore. Okay. This is in a bit of a weird spot. Ow! Oh, oh, ow! Ow! I haven't hit my flipping finger, and I don't know how long. Thankfully, it wasn't my big framer. That really stings, but it'll go away here in a minute. If it don't, now, it'll go away in another few minutes. I don't know. I tell you, as much as I'm missing nails, I think I never hammered before. That ain't the case. But I have taken a liking to the nail gun in recent years. Okay. All right. There it is. Here, so you can see pretty much what I got done there. I didn't nail all of the, it took 55 minutes, are you kidding? Here's the rest of the place. This is a total gut out. That's going to be a closet right there. This is going to be the master bathroom. Here's the door. Toilet's going to be right there under that window, and the shower's going to be back in there where that fan is. There's a cubby. Shower's going to be there. And then this area here is the master bedroom. There's going to be a wall right here, right beside this doorway into the place. And then this will be another bedroom that'll be accessible from where I've been getting on my ladder here. Oh, battery's about to die. Better get this done. So here's what the double hangers look like. There's a space, there's a gap, but that'll be remedied. Now all I got to do is cut this top plate out, and these 2x4s down, and then this will open up right here. So that will be on the next video. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, please. It really would help me out. Thank you. Bye-bye.